Hi, my name is NURHAZARIAH binti AZMAN. I will talk about the background of the company. Kossan Rubber Industry Berhad, a Malaysian rubber glove manufacturer, has a remarkable history and a significant presence in the global healthcare industry. Stretching limits since 1979, Kossan has grown to become one of the world's largest glove manufacturers with a focus on producing high-quality rubber for a variety of medical and industrial applications. The company's success can be attributed to its commitment to innovations, quality, and customer satisfaction in line with the company missions and visions. The Kosan story began with the Tan Sri Dato Lim Wang Sia, a brilliant and forward-thinking entrepreneur who recognized the potential of rubber glove in the healthcare industry. Under his leadership, Kossan began as a small manufacturer of rubber bearing for fishing boats but soon expanded into the production of rubber gloves to meet the growing demand from the medical sector. Kossan has invested in research and development, constantly striving to improve its manufacturing process and product qualities. The company has adopted cutting-edge technology and stringent quality control measures to ensure its gloves meet the highest international standards. This commitment to quality has earned Kossan excellence and built strong relationships with the healthcare provider worldwide. Kossan product portfolio includes a wide range of latex and natural gloves, catering to various medical and industrial applications. The company gloves are used in hospital, clinics, laboratories, and other healthcare settings.
Hi, my name is NURUL binti ZAIDI, and I'm going to talk about main activity in Kossan Rubber Industry Berhad. Kossan is a leading global manufacturer of latex, disposable glove, and high-performance engineering rubber products. The company operates through four key segments. The first one is technical rubber product, glove and clean room products, and others. Its technical rubber product divisions produce specialized items such as marine dock fender, bearing, expansion joint, and custom extruded product for application in infrastructure, automotive, and industrial section. In the glove segment, Kossan manufactures natural rubber latex and neutral glove, including surgical and examination glove under PureSafe, Chemex, and 7 Sense brand names, catering to healthcare, specialty, and clean room application globally. The clean room products division focus on producing gloves, face masks, and wipes that meet the strict hygiene and appliance requirement of industry like electrical and electronic. In addition to manufacturing, Kossan engaged in investment holding, machinery fabrication, and installation.
Hi, good evening and thank you for all my group mates. My name is Muhammad NABIL from NBT MUB. Subsidiaries for Kossan Rubber Industries Berhad, established in 1979, is a leading Malaysian manufacturer specializing in rubber products. Including disposable glove technical rubber items, the company operates through several subsidiaries, each focusing on different aspects of its business. Here are some of Kossan Key's subsidiaries. First, Doshin Rubber Products, Sdn Berhad, specialized in engineering rubber products for various industries. And we have a quality profile Sdn Berhad, engaged in the production of rubber-based products, premium medical products, Kossan Latex Industry, Ideal Quality, Clanera, Kossan International, Kossan Glove, Sdn Berhad, Hiban Corporation, Sdn Berhad, Clanera, HK Limited, KISB Asia Pacific, Kossan Industry. All these company in a Sdn Berhad company. Specialized in clean room products and handle international operation and distribution, focuses on the production of disposable glove, engaged in various aspects of the rubber industry, and lastly, engaged in the manufacturing and distribution of rubber products. Thank you.
Hi, my name is HASNITA. I'm going to talk about Kossan's achievement, which showcase its consistent growth and excellent across various areas of its business. Some of the key achievements remain in 2021. Kossan received the H Billion Ringgit Club Corporate Awards for the highest return on equity and growth in profit after tax over 3 years in the healthcare sector. In 2022, Kossan won the MRPMA IRICE 22 Industry Award for the Best Engineering Product, highlighting its focus on innovation in the rubber industry. In 2023, Kossan earned the General Motor Supplier Quality Excellence Award 2023, demonstrating its commitment to manufacturing excellence. Kossan also became the first glove manufacturer to partner with Bank Negara Malaysia's strategic partnership for the GVC program to SME, supporting small and medium-sized enterprise. In 2024, Kossan again received the General Motor Supply Quality Excellence Award 2023, reinforcing its reputation for high-quality manufacturing. This achievement reflects Kossan's strong market position, commitment to innovation, sustainability, and employee welfare. With its exceptional financial performance, Kossan continues to solidify its role as a key player in the global rubber and glove industry. For Kossan liquidity ratio, I will explain a few key aspects. So first, the current ratio, as we can see from the chart, it measures the company's current asset against its current liabilities. So over the past few years, Kossan has shown significant improvement, and in this ratio, moving from 4.343 times in 2021 to 13.099 times in 2023. This steady increase indicates a stronger liquidity position, meaning Kossan now has more than enough asset to cover its short-term obligations. So this reduces financial risk and enables the company to pursue growth opportunity without relying on external financing. Next is the quick ratio, which excludes inventory and focuses on the company's ability to meet short-term debts using its most liquid assets like cash and receivable. So in this chart, the quick ratio has also improved, rising from 3.829 times in 2021 to 11.980 times in 2023. The increase shows Kossan's strengthened financial position, demonstrating its ability to meet obligations efficiently without relying on less liquid assets. Lastly, for net working capital, represent the difference between current asset and current liabilities. So, as shown in the chart, Kossan's NWC for 2021 was 2,759,272,000 ringgit. In 2022, the NWC slightly decreased to 2,571,767,000 ringgit. But in 2023, it recovered to 2,585,896,000 ringgit. This consistency in NWC reflects Kossan's ability to manage its short-term resources effectively, ensuring operational stability and flexibility. So in summary, Kossan's liquidity ratio reflects its strong financial health with an improved ability to manage short-term obligations and seize growth opportunities. So this demonstrates effective financial management and solid foundation for continued success.
Okay, right now is for average collection period. The graph illustrates the average collection period for Kossan Rubber Industry Berhad over the year 2021, 2022 and 2023, proving insight to the company's efficiency in managing its account receivable. The ACP measure the average number of days a company takes to collect payment from its customer after a sale, with a short period generally indicating better efficiency and cash flow management. In 2021, the company had ACP of 30 days, suggesting effective credit control and prompt customer payment. However, in 2022, the ACP increased to 41 days, indicating a slight decline in collection efficiency. By 2023, the ACP had surged to 270 days, signaling significant delays in payment collection. The sharp rise in concerning as it could lead to cash flow problems, hinder working capital management, the necessity reliance on external financing, such a trend may stem from weakened credit policy, financial distress among customers, or internal inefficiency in billing and follow-up process. Next is inventory turnover or ITO. The graph displays the inventory turnover for Kossan rubber industry Berhad across year 2021, 2022 and also 2023. Inventory turnover is a key financial ratio that indicated how frequently a company sells and replaces its inventory over a specific period. Okay. In 2021, the company reported an ITO of 6.1, which increased to 7.65 in 2022, suggesting an improvement in inventory management and sales efficiency. However, in 2023, the ITO drastically declined to 1.8, indicating a significant slowdown in inventory turnover. This sharp decrease could be due to several factors such as overstocking, declining sales, or operational inefficiency, which can lead to increased holding costs and potential cash flow issues. Okay, next is total asset turnover or TATO. The graph displays the total asset turnover for Kossan rubber industry Berhad over the year 2021, 2022 and 2023. Total asset turnover is a financial ratio that measures how efficiently a company generates net sales from its total asset, including both. In 2021, the TATO stood at 1.3, indicating that for every unit of total asset, the company produced 1.3 sales, demonstrating a strong asset utilization. However, by 2022, TATO dropped to 0.54, signaling a decline in efficiency as the company only generates 0.54 of sale per total asset. This downward trend continues in 2023, with the TATO further decreasing to 0.09, showing substantially underutilized of total asset. The decline in TATO suggests that the company may be facing challenge in leverage its total asset to generate sale efficiently. Okay, lastly, for activity ratio is fixed asset turnover, which is FATO. The graph illustrates fixed asset turnover for Kossan rubber industry Berhad over the year 2021, 2022 and 2023. Fixed asset turnover is a financial ratio that measures a company's ability to generate net sales from its fixed asset, including property, plant and equipment. In 2021, the FATO was 4.8, suggesting that for every unit of fixed asset, the company generates 4.8 of sale, reflecting strong asset utilization. However, in 2022, the FATO decreasing to 1.73, indicating reduced efficiency as the company generates only 1.73 of sale per fixed asset. This decline continued sharply in 2023, with FATO dropping to 0.3, showing significant of underutilized of fixed asset. The lower FATO can negatively impact the company profitability by suggesting that a large portion of its investment in fixed asset is not being effectively utilized to generate sales.
Next, the leverage ratio. The charts show that the debt ratio for Kossan has decreased significantly from 2021 to 2023. A debt ratio is a financial ratio that measures the extent of a company leverage. It is calculated by dividing the company total debt with the total assets. In 2021, the debt ratio was 0.201 or 8.1% of Kossan assets were financed by the debt. But in 2022, the debt ratio dropped to 0.099, meaning that only 9.9% of the company assets were funded by the debt. And by 2023, the debt ratio continued to decline at 0.081, or in the other words, only 8.1% of Kossan assets were financed by debt. Overall, the decreasing debt ratio from 2021 and 2023 is a positive sign for Kossan financial health. Next is debt to equity ratio. The debt to equity ratio (DER) is a finance ratio to measure a company financials leverage by comparing its total debts to its shareholder equities. For Kossan, the chart shows a clear downward trend from 2021 to 2023. This indicates that the company has been reducing its reliance on debt financing relative to its equity financings over the period. In 2021, the DER was 0.251, meaning that for every 1 ringgit of equity, the company had RM 0.251 of debt. The DER for Kossan in 2022 continued to decrease significantly to 0.110, suggesting a substantial reduction in debt or an increase in equity. Kossan still maintained its downward trajectory to 0.088, further indicating a healthy financing position with a lower reliance on debt. So, the decreasing long-term debt ratio (LTDR) trend is a positive sign for the company's financial health. For Kossan, the LTDR has been steadily decreasing over the past 3 years. It indicates that the company become less reliant on debt and is likely in a stronger position to. As for the EBIT, time interest earning, the most notable observation is the significant declines in earning before interest (EBIT) in 2022. This indicates a severe deteriorations in Kossan's ability to cover its interest expenses with its revenue. But in 2023, it improved to 4.641, indicating a partial recovery in the company's financial performance.
For profitability ratio, a class of financial metrics that are used to assess business ability to generate earning relative to its revenue, operating cost, balance sheet assets, or shareholder equity over time using data from a specific point in time. So first is a operating profit margin, measures the percentage of revenue remaining after deducting the cost of goods sold. A high margin indicates effective cost control. As you can see by the graph, for 2021 to 2023 is for 56.12%, decreasing to 1.76%. Kossan Rubber achieved a high operating profit margin largely due to strong global demand for the COVID-19 pandemic, allowing them to generate substantial profit relative to revenue. But it underscored the challenge Kossan Rubber faced transitioning from the pandemic-driven boom back to regular market conditions. Kossan Rubber must adapt to post-pandemic challenges by optimizing cost, innovating products, and exploring new markets to recover operating efficiency and profitability. Secondly is a net profit margin. Net profit margin is a percentage of revenue that remains as profit after all expenses, taxes, and interest. A higher margin indicates better overall profitability. As you can see by graph, net profit margin from 2021 to 2023 is 43.08%, decreasing to 0.84%. The net profit margin to less than 1%, suggesting near zero profitability for 2023. This drop reflects intense competition, oversupply in the glove industry, and higher operating and material costs. Strategic action needed for Kossan Rubber may need to optimize operations, reduce costs, and diversify its product portfolio to improve margins. For industry impact, is the glove industry as a whole experienced similar trends, highlighting the need for resilience and adaptability. Next is a return on assets (ROA). Reflects the firm's ability to generate profit from its assets. A higher ROA indicates efficient use of assets to products earnings. As you can see, the formula of ROA is PAT divided by total assets multiplied by 100. So, return of assets from 2021 is 66.90%, decreasing to 0.82%, below than 1%. The ROA demonstrate a drastic decline from 21 to 23, signaling a significant reduction in the company's abilities to generate returns from its asset investment over the 3 years. So, the strategic improvement needed by this company to optimize asset utilization by focus on core business operation. Adaptation to market condition is important to company to sharp decline the need for Kossan Rubber to adapt its strategies to changing market condition by this year. Thank you. And lastly, as you can see, the graph for the return of equity ROE from 2021 to 2023 have a trend illustrates a sharp decline, showing a diminishing ability of Kossan Rubber to deliver returns to shareholders as market normalized post-pandemic. The near zero ROE in 2023 indicates the Kossan Rubber struggle to generate meaningful returns from equity. A red flag for potential investor, the company may need implement strategic measures such as cost reduction, product innovation, or diversification to ensure profitability. From 70.77 dropped to 0.84%, Kossan Rubber must navigate to restore shareholder confidence. Thank you.
As a conclusion, Kossan Rubber Industry, a leading manufacturer of a rubber glove, has faced significant challenge in recent years due to the reduced demand and increased competitions. Although the company financial performance has declined from its peak during the pandemics, Kossan is actively implementing strategies to adapt and improve its long-term perspective. These strategies include diversifying its product portfolio, optimizing costs, and investing in research and development. The success of this initiative will be critical in determining Kosan's future financial performance and its ability to navigate the growing rubber glove market. In 2024, Kosan Rubber Industry Berhad report a return to profitability in the first quarter of 2024, driven by the increased sales volume in the glove divisions. Overall, Kosan Rubber Industry has made progress in returning to profitability, but the company faces ongoing challenges in a competitive market. The company abilities to navigate this challenge and capitalize on improving demand will be critical in for its future success.